Before you can turn people into subscribers, they need to know you are there. Display advertising can help you here, giving you a way to reach a broad target audience. So if building awareness of your business is a goal, you will want to target a broad audience and use adverts that make a great first impression. This is a good time to think about what might catch someone's attention. The next stage in the funnel is all about shaping people's opinion of you and making sure that they remember you in the future when they want what you are selling. If this is one of your goals, you can create new display advertising campaigns that use messaging to reinforce your competitive advantages and really highlight the benefits of whatever product or service you offer. At this point, you might narrow down your audience a bit more to include people who have been to your site before, or maybe people who are really interested in the products and services you offer. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.